Hi, I'm Suzette for Total Protect. Over the years, Total Protect has received some great reviews. Happy homeowners from across the country are talking about the ease and the peace of mind a Total Protect home warranty delivers. Like Total Protect customer MT from Aurora, Colorado, who said, "And you can't beat Total Protect's affordability and value. Just ask Total Protect customer GB from Houston, Texas." The ease in which the entire claim and repair process is handled is unrivaled in the industry, or so says Total Protect customer JA in Myersville, Maryland. And the spectacular service, quality, and peace of mind doesn't stop after the repair is completed. Total Protect is so confident in the quality of our service partners that we guarantee their work for 180 days. That's just one of the reasons we have a 95% customer satisfaction rate. To learn more about Total Protect and to see more reviews from customers just like you, visit us at totalprotect.com.